everyone, and welcome back to my studio. We're just going to do a fun quick little pour today. I am working on an Artist Loft level 3 gallery wrap canvas. It's just a little 6x6. I want to test out my new Piggies. So let's go through our colors real quick. Now for the Piggies, I am using the Tipsy Piggy Recipe, which means I took my 91% isopropyl alcohol and put a little teeny bit in my cup. I added my pigment, mixed that up to make a little slurry to dissolve the pigment, and then I added my pour medium. Now all my colors today are using mixed pour. If you want mixed pour, you can contact Krista, and the email is krista8974@gmail.com, and she would be glad to get you some mixed pour. Great stuff. All right, our colors today, our Piggies, are going to be Sea Glass, Lakeside, Mermaid, and Sangria. Those are gorgeous tones. I'm really happy. Then of course we're adding to that some DecoArt Americana metallics in the 24 karat gold. I also have some white, and this is the Amsterdam titanium white, and into that I have added some of our DecoArt satin enamels in pure white. And then I also, for our edge coat and our flood, I have a small amount of our Artist Loft Flow acrylics in black. And this little bitty canvas only needs about 2 ounces of paint to cover everything. I just want to play with these new Piggies, make sure I know what I'm doing. So this is going to be our little pour cup. Like I said, we don't need a whole lot because this is a very small canvas. So I'm not going to fill this cup because this is a 4-ounce cup. I'm going to start with a little white and a little gold. Remember that what you put in the cup first is what comes out last, and is going to end up in the center of your pour if you're doing a straight pour or a ring pour. More than I need. So we're going to stop with that. All right. Now, we're going to flood this canvas, get everything wet. That's better. All right, then I'm going to put a little puddle of the gold right in the middle. Tilt that around just a little, just to spread that. That's in the hopes that that'll help bring up some gold cells. And we're going to just pour right there. I'm going to give that a quick torch though first. There's my new torch. Okay. We're just going to do a straight pour right into the middle here. Definitely have too much paint. but I think we'll be okay. Fix that center just a little. Tilt it this way just a bit. Okay. I have so much stuff starting to pop up here. Do that in a minute. Give it a minute to sort of have some reactions before we do any tilting. Oh, there's so much going on. I definitely had about twice as much paint as I needed. Made my layers a little too thick, but we'll make it work. All right, since it's already sort of off to one side, I may start over here and just finish that going off a bit. Sort of anchor it over there. Back towards the center a bit. This way. Go over that corner. I'm losing most of my blue because the layers were a little too thick. I may make another cup. I don't like what I'm getting here in the end, because I'm losing a lot of my colors. Do that last corner. That one over. We'll see what we're dealing with here. Whoa. Some pretty cool stuff going on here. But I sort of lost all my blue. Not that I'm not liking it, but it's all just red and no blue. I think I'm gonna make a tiny little pour cup and just add some, pull that center back towards the center a little bit more. And maybe add another little cup into the middle there. Just because I really want a little more of the blue. And all my blue is sort of pushed out to the outside because I just made those, with it being such a small amount of paint. So I'm just going to quickly make another pour cup with some of the blue. Just a touch of the white. Okay. And I'm just going to pour right in that center. I know that's a beautiful center, and somebody out there is probably screaming, no! But I really want a little bit more blue in my center. So I'm literally just going to put a tiny amount in the center here and fix that. Twitch that up a bit. And stretch that a bit so I get a little more of the blue. You can't see what I'm doing here, but push a little more that way. better. And these edges are a little funky, but seems almost too thin. Wipe my hands a minute and think about it. Maybe torch it off a little and see what I want to do. It's definitely shiny. Got some funkiness going on the sides here. I gotta do something about, but let's solve that. Okay, let me take you down for a closer look. That's looking really pretty. Okay, going in for a closer look. I'm loving some of the cells here. It's very pale because I think I put way too much white and it sort of paled it out. It's a little darker up here. But I think when it dries, it's going to dry much darker. I'm loving this big cell explosion in the middle here. That's from the original pour. But I like this added section up here because it brought in a lot more of the blues that I sort of lost in this down here. All right, we're gonna let that dry and see what happens. Thanks for joining me. Okay, this one is dry and so shiny. I know you can see some of that shine. Look at the way that's shining. That's the piggy shine. Look at that. Look at that sparkle and shine all over from the piggies. Sorry, there's a bit of shadow here, but in order to get enough light to really let you see the sparkle wherever the piggies are. So pretty. All right, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see some more of my videos. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.